Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to send money on PayPal. If you are using PayPal but you're unable to send money due to not knowing the steps on how to send money, this is a tutorial video to show you how to send money using your PayPal account. So guys, before we dive into the tutorial, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel, and if you are an existing subscriber, thank you for coming back. So let's quickly dive into the topic, which is how to send money using your PayPal account. This is one of my PayPal demo accounts. I'll be using this for the tutorial. As you can see, my current balance on this PayPal account is $2.87. So before you send money on PayPal, you must be logged in into your PayPal account. So now, as I'm currently logged in into my PayPal account, let's quickly show you the steps on how to send money. So to send money on this PayPal account, you click on these three dots, the three dots on the box where your PayPal balance is. You click on it and it will bring a drop down. As you can see, this is the drop down. On the drop down we have go to money page, add money, send or request money, automatic transfers. So what you do here, you click on send or request money. Then as you can see, it's currently on send. So if you want to send, if you have the name, the username or email of the person you want to send to, you input it here. You can input it here, either name, username or email. Let's try and input an email. Let's input an email. You select the email, then you input the amount you want to send to the person. I have just $2 in this PayPal account, so let's go with $2. Then you can write what the payment is for. I'm paying for rent. You click on continue. Then you specify where you're sending it to, sending to a friend or paying for an item or service. For the purpose of the tutorial, let me just click on sending to a friend. Then here it's all set. As you can see, it's all set. So if you want to make this payment now, you click on send payment now, and the PayPal money will be sent automatically to that email address you just imputed. So guys, that is it on how to send money on PayPal. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.